This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Carissa Hefta. Spacious 4-bed 3-bath 3-car garage ranch home located in a quiet, gated community. Step in through the grand French doors to an open floor plan. The oversized living room and dining room make for a great space to entertain. The kitchen is complete with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a wine fridge. The bartop/countertop overlooks the living room and has a breakfast area to the side. The master bedroom is complete with 2 walk-in closets, double sinks, shower, and soaker tub. The yard is well maintained with mature trees and landscaping. Be sure to enjoy the cozy, private, screened-in lanai. This new home community only 5 miles east of I-75 and a short drive from some of Tampa's main attractions including Tampa International Airport, downtown Tampa, and the University of South Florida. The country setting of the Thonotosassa area make this neighborhood a quiet retreat for those looking to relax in their new home. Community amenities include a neighborhood pool and cabana. For more information, review the details below or contact Carissa Hefta at 813-563-5995.